Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you a haul video! Yay! So if you want to watch this video, just keep on watching! So guys, magsimula muna tayo sa Daiso haul. Ang una kong binili sa Daiso haul is this organizer. Hindi ko alam kung pang makeup ba talaga siya, pero ginawa ko lang siyang makeup organizer since ito lang yung kailangan kong paglagyan. This is baby pink, and then meron siyang design na mga roses. And this is for 88 pesos. Next na product is this face peeling gel. This is in a scent of peach, and ay nako, ang bango-bango niya. Kaamoy niya is Jelly Ace, and it leaves my skin very soft. Next is this nose shadow and highlight. Binili ko lang to kasi nagka-interest lang ako, and very cute lang siya. Very simple lang siya, ayan. And nung trinay ko siya dito sa bahay, grabe, ang pigmented. Tatry ako ng swatch para sa inyo. Oh, ang pigmented. Wow! Diba? So, for 88 pesos, sulit na to. Pero, ang ayoko lang sa product na to, yung pang contour niya is medyo shimmery, and ayoko na ganun. Gusto ko matte lang. And then, sa highlight, okay lang. So, this is for 88 pesos and thumbs up. And last na product na nabili ko from Daiso is this makeup bag, and ang nakasulat dito is wake up and put on makeup. Actually, napadaan lang ako yung nakita ko, tapos sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang cute, and alam mo, tumingin talaga ako ng design. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko, and again, this is for only 88 pesos. So next naman sa Japan haul is tatlo lang yung nabili ko sa Japan haul, at iisa lang siya ng product is this cute socks. O, diba? Ang cute. Bumili ako ng tatlo. Isa para sa akin at dalawa para sa best friend ko. This is a soft socks, and for only 88 pesos, it is a good product. Next naman, pumunta naman tayo sa mga makeup department. So, simulan natin sa Careline. Ang binili ko is this Careline eyeliner. This is for 85 pesos. And binili ko lang to pala lang para practicein lang yung mga eyeliners, wing eyeliners, ganyan. Next, itong Nichido eyebrow pencil. This is for 60 pesos. Gagamitin ko to sa 500 pesos makeup challenge ko. Ito rin ang gamit ko ngayon, and it's very pretty. Next is this Eye White BB Holic Everyday BB Cream in a shade of beige. And this is for only 24.50 pesos. And isa rin to sa mga gagamitin ko para sa 500 pesos makeup challenge. And last but not the least is this Clean and Clear Compact Powder in white. It comes with an applicator and yung mismong product. And Ami Johnson's baby powder lang talaga siya. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give this a big ol' thumbs up. Comment down below what you suggest on my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!